Hello. So today we are going to look at how to create a database in Microsoft Excel using the SQL command. So when you open your access like this, you click on create, then you click on SQL query. So when you come here, then you type the command to create a table. So create table, then you bring the name of your table. So for this tutorial, let's make it basic basic 5. Then you open your bracket. So create table basic 5. So the table name should be one word. So here I've used underscore, so basic underscore 5. Then you type the field. So let's make it S student ID, SID. Then you bring the data type integer. Then the constraint is a primary key. Then you bring your comma. Then you move to the next column. First name, F name, then data type, varchar, and it should contain 40 characters. Then the constraint is not null. It means you cannot leave first name empty. Then you bring your comma. Then last name L name. Then the data type is varchar. It contain maybe 33. The constraint not null. Then comma. Then middle name M name. Data type varchar. It contains 50 characters. Then bring your comma. So here, the middle name, not everyone has middle name. So you can, the constraint, you have to leave the constraint. Don't bring not now. So with that, not now. If the student is having a middle name, he can type it. If not, he can leave the middle name column to be blank. Then let's add last one, address. Then varchar, then maybe 60. Then you close, then you terminate it. So you start with create table, the name of the table. Then you open your open bracket. Then you start with the first column. Then you bring the data type. Then you bring the constraint. Then you bring comma. You move to the next data, the next column. You bring the constraint. Then you bring the data type. Then the constraint. You bring comma. So you do it out to the last column. So with the last column, you can see that there's no comma. So always make sure that the first column you bring comma, the second column comma, the next column comma, but the last column for the table. Don't bring comma, then you close it and you terminate it. So when you are done, stay on the query design, then you click on run. So you see that your table will be created. Basic, basic underscore 5. So this is your table. So when you double click on your table, you see that it will create the column for you. So maybe student ID 12, the first name is Isaac, then press tab, then last name Gamma, middle name maybe Ben, then press address box 23 Tepa, then press tab, then next name, less ID, then name maybe Tina, then press tab, then you type the, so you use, when you type, then you press tab so that to move to the next row for you to type the data. So this is how to create a table. So he said that to create a table, you write create table, then you bring the name of the table, then you open bracket, then you type the column name, you bring the data type, and you bring the constraint, then you bring comma. Then you do it out to the last column name. Don't bring comma, then you terminate it. Then you click on query design, then you click on run. So this is how to create a table in Access using SQL command. Thank you very much.